guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, I will show you how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. In this channel, I will discuss all the topics regarding social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram and also regarding websites. Now let's get started. Now open your YouTube channel. Click on YouTube app. Click on top right corner and click on your channel. This is the channel I am going to delete permanently. In this channel we have two videos and channel name is Info Solutions. Now click on top right three dots. Then you will see at the bottom help and feedback. Click on that. Now you will go to the page where we have to describe our issue. In the text box you have to type how to delete your YouTube channel. Click on delete or hide your YouTube channel. Now you will see instructions how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. Now at the bottom, click on delete your channel permanently. Then they will show you some instructions how to delete your channel. You have to sign into your YouTube studio, then click on settings. Under settings, you have to click channel and click on advanced settings and click on delete my account. I will show you practically now. Click on YouTube studio. Then you will redirect to YouTube studio of your channel. Click settings at the left corner of this page. Click on settings. In settings, you have to click on channel. In channel, you have to click advanced settings. Then scroll down. Now you will see at the bottom, you want to remove your YouTube content. Click on remove YouTube content. Then you will redirect to your Gmail account. You have to log into your Gmail account associated with your YouTube channel. Then you have to enter your password and click on next. Now you will see this page. In this page they are showing that you want to hide your YouTube channel or you want to delete your channel permanently. Now I want to delete my channel permanently. So click on I want to permanently delete my content. In the next video I will show you how to hide your channel. Click on I want to permanently delete my content. Then you will see this page. In this provided some instructions and rules before deleting your YouTube channel. They are telling that your YouTube channel will be permanently deleted and your videos and your subscriptions and your comments, your search if you agree all the instructions and rules will provided be deleted by them, permanently. Then click on the checkbox. Beside the instruction, the following will be permanently deleted. After checking the checkbox, then you have to click on delete my content. Then your channel will be completely permanently deleted. Click on delete my content. Then you will see this page. This is the final step before deleting your channel permanently. In this page they are showing that this will permanently delete all your YouTube content including all your videos, playlists, likes, subscriptions, comments, messages, search history and watch history. This data cannot be restored. Now, if you agree all the above terms and conditions, then you have to confirm by typing your email address. Now I am typing my email address associated with the YouTube channel and click on delete my content at the bottom of the page. Now your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually this takes a few minutes but can take up to a couple of days if you have a lot of content. By following these simple steps, you can delete your YouTube channel permanently. Now we will check the result whether we deleted my YouTube channel or not. Click on the YouTube app. Now you can see my channel is permanently deleted. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.